Today I am going to share iftar special cheese chicken box patties recipe. Butter 2 tablespoons. Allow to melted. Chopped onion, a half cup. Sauté 1 minute. Salt to taste. Flour 2 tablespoons. Fry 2 minutes on low heat. Liquid milk 1.5 cup. Stir continuously. White pepper 1 teaspoon, garlic powder 1 teaspoon, chili powder 1 teaspoon, mixed herbs 1 teaspoon, red and yellow bell pepper a third cup, green chili 2 tablespoons. Stir and mix. Cook 5 minutes. Shredded chicken 2 cup. Mix. Cook until thickened. Soy sauce 1 teaspoon. Mix. Turn off the heat. Spring onion, a quarter cup. Coriander leaf, 2 tablespoons. Mix. Let it cool. Spring roll pastry. Apply glue. Spring roll pastry. Cook chicken mixture as required. Mozzarella cheese as required. Chicken mixture on top. Follow the steps. Done. Egg wash. Breadcrumbs. Deep fry. Flip. Fry until golden brown. Done. Thanks for watching.